nearly 10 months in, and I think I figured it out. Hello. It is just after work here. It is a beautiful evening. Take a look. Sun is shining. I'm in summer kit. Last week, I was snowed in for 3 days. Now I'm in summer kit. Just incredible stuff. Some of y'all might know that I'm a bit of a new dad. Not really that new anymore. We're almost 10 months in, but in that 10 months, it's been a lot of trial and error, trying to find the perfect ride when it comes to balancing the baby, your job, as well as your relationship. And we haven't gotten it right. We also haven't gotten it terribly wrong. Either way, I was out for a cycle with the homie Kent a couple weeks ago, and we did this route called a reverse Ferndale. And if you're from the Dallas area, you know what the Ferndale Loop is. It's just an extension off the lake. And so, hey, how's it going? We did it backwards, and it came out to 1 hour on the dot. And I looked at him and I said, this might be the perfect ride, man. He's also a dad, and in a sport that sometimes requires you to be out for long hours, if you want to get some good training in, getting this 1 hour ride in, although it's not the best training, just to move your legs and for your mental well-being, it's kind of the perfect ride. Trying to spot it, but one of these roads has peacock that just roam the street, like peacocks, like the ones that spread their feathers out. Yeah. It just roams the street. There's multiple of them roaming the street of Dallas. So I'm gonna see if we can't find them, make you guys believe me, because I wouldn't believe me. They must have rounded them up for the cold. I mean, makes sense. I wouldn't want a peacock freezing out here. So apart from the ride, only taking about an hour, one of the great things about this route is that I'm always at maximum 25 minutes away from home. And that's at the absolute maximum when I'm the furthest point from home. Otherwise, I'm 15 minutes from home, 20 minutes from home. I'm not very far at all. And look at all the people on the lake right now. Hey, that's what I'm talking about right there. Hey, peep my house, peep my house. Yeah, that's on me right there. Y'all get a room tour of that one later. It's the YouTube monetization coming in right there. Also, if you want to lay down a mean effort, there's pretty much no interruption. I'm kind of mashing away right now. You can't see it, but it says 600 watts. No, I'm kidding. We're doing 300 right now. 250, but it's pretty uninterrupted. You can just mash on here, not worry about car coming out of nowhere. Still gotta be careful. It's not that bad. Favorite stretch of road here at the lake, going north, coming south. It's kind of just slowly rising around a bend. You got a beautiful view out in front of you. For some reason, hey, you always kind of feel sheltered in that bend, so you can really just slam on the pedals and you just start moving. But look at this. The second reason why this ride is friggin' incredible. The views. I get it, you know, Texas gets a bad reputation, maybe even Dallas in general, but every time I see this, kind of get some points back for this part here, you know? Oh, look at that little pelican. It's a big pelican. But yeah, pretty hard not to like this ride. Hey, when you also have that view, kind of helps a lot. Hey. This is beautiful. I don't stop here often, but whenever it's open, I try and come down here and just enjoy the water. So, the last reason I love this ride so much is because this skyline view right here, this bench right here actually, that's where I took Haley on our first date. That's where I actually proposed. You know, it's special up here. Even though it's not my city, I wasn't born here, I haven't even lived here that long. You make these special places within the city, and yeah, they hold a special place in your heart. This is the most Texas thing yet. This is not one of the reasons why I love this ride, but we might have to add it to it. A little bonus is if you time it right, you'll get this view. And just like that, that's ride done. 1 hour in the books. I don't think you can see it, but we're turning into the street with an hour done. It's a good evening. Well, that is ride done. We have, can't see it, 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second on there. So we're a minute late, but that's not a great reason to get out. Shoot, I don't know what is. That was a great one. I'm very thankful. See y'all later. I can hear baby inside. Layla. Oh, is that a Layla baby? Yes, it is.